Today on Designing Spaces, helping seniors find the perfect space that meets their needs for their golden years. How to guard your home from pesky critters who might think it's a snack. And choosing a reliable, efficient, and affordable AC system is easy if you know who to turn to. Time to design. It's estimated that by the year 2050, over 20% of the population will be 65 and older. Presently, there are more than 835,000 Americans currently residing in a senior living facility. While the medical care of our elders should always be a concern, it's time to prioritize senior living.
The options today in the marketplace for seniors are in-home care, moving in with a family member, or senior living communities. Harmony Senior Services offers a different senior living community, which we really feel is the best option.
My name is Lorraine Berry, and I was one of the first people to move in. Well, from day one, I felt like it was home.
With over 40 locations in the United States, Harmony Senior Services is providing independent living, assisted living, and memory care services to seniors. The thoughtfully designed, spacious, and inviting floor plans and meaningful daily activities gives folks options to enjoy a comfortable, brighter future.
Harmony Senior Services is a family serving families company. We were founded by a family, and our core commitment is to provide senior living for today's senior. We have beautiful communities that are built with today's senior in mind. And what that means is we have beautiful, large communities with the various amenity spaces, upgraded furnishings and finishings, and the largest apartment styles on average in every market. And that allows us to provide a beautiful luxury community, but for today's senior at an affordable rate.
It's got everything, everything you would ever want as far as space. The apartment's big enough, and of course the food is scrumptious, and activities. I'm not much of a loner, so there are people around that like to chit chat. Whatever pleases you, it's just about here,
So Ms. Berry, tell me a little bit about how did you find out about Harmony?
Well, I saw it being built.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm. And it was being built on our old dairy farm. And I got excited about that, and then when I found out it was a senior complex, I got even more excited. So that's why we looked and decided this would be perfect for me. Mm-hmm. It's on Berry Road, and I'm a Berry.
So Ms. Berry, you were one of our first residents. You've been here almost a year. Mm-hmm. What are your favorite things here at the community?
Well, I like the game night. We play Scrabble every evening, and I like mealtime, even though I'm putting on some pounds.
We all have, yeah.
Their food here is really delicious, very delicious. And hey, they clean my apartment once a week, and it's just heaven on earth.
Harmony Senior Services offers a continuum of care. That allows us to offer our beautiful communities to everybody that may be looking for different care options in senior living. So we have independent living, which provides seniors an excellent apartment-style living without the hassles of home ownership and with the convenience of dining, housekeeping, and great socialization. We also have assisted living for seniors that need a little bit more care and support. They also have the access to our beautiful full community programming, dining, but also with 24-hour assistance and care. Finally, we have our memory care community, which is designed specifically for seniors that may have Alzheimer's or dementia-related diseases.
I believe that we have a common goal here at Harmony, and that common goal is to provide a certain level of care which is expected and deserved.
I love hearing the stories of our residents, our family members. I feel that deep connection with them, which is really rewarding. Our staff here, they're not doing just a job. They're caring for family, and that is meaningful for all of us.
Our cornerstone philosophy of family serving families was developed in response to our approach that we were founded by a family, we operate as a family, and we serve families. And we operate every day with the question, is that what we would want for our mother, for our father? And we hold ourselves accountable to that.
My first day, first night, first week, I felt at peace with living here the rest of my life, and nothing has changed.
To learn more about Harmony Senior Services, visit their website, harmonyseniorservices.com, or our website, designingspaces.tv. They may only be less than a half-inch long, but the damage termites do is exponentially greater. We're talking in the billions. Whether you've seen the evidence or want to prevent those pests from eating you out of your home, listen up, because Designing Spaces is on the case.
My name is Sylvia Kenmere. I'm the Western Technical Representative for BASF. Each year, termites cause billions of dollars in damages often not covered by homeowners insurance. Some of the early signs of termites are the winged termites, which are the reproductives, or you might see mud tubes going from the ground up to the structure by the foundation.
The Matthews family has a general pest control contract for quarterly service, and their PMP suggested termidorhome.com and trolonahome.com for termite education and info about the products.
It was pretty difficult to purchase our property. We purchased it at the height of the market. We're first-time home buyers, so now that we're here, we're really just wanting to do everything we can to protect it. When we purchased the house, we did not notice any sort of termite damage or anything else wrong. We really just wanted to be proactive about termite control. Well, our pest control technician already provides services that protect us from ants, spiders, and other common pests. But we weren't aware that termites could be a threat until he sent us links to a couple of consumer websites that were very helpful.
It is important to work with a qualified licensed pest professional because we are trained in termite biology and behavior to properly identify, prevent, and responsibly treat any termite problems. After the Matthews learned about termites and termite solutions by doing online research, they decided to reach out to us and have us come out and do a thorough inspection of their property.
Annual termite inspections are a great way to protect your home so that you know the early signs of when you might have possible termite damage. And so by finding it early, you're able to have options for control. During an inspection, a licensed pest control professional will come out and do a thorough inspection looking for all the areas that we can find termites, not only on the outside of the structure, but also on the inside of the structure where there may be moisture contact. There are a couple of treatment options that you can do when you have subterranean termites. There is the liquid treatment, which is a liquid treatment applied around the foundation of the structure. And then there's also bait stations that you can apply where you put a bait inside a station and the termites feed on the station.
Well, we really weren't sure what to expect, but after the inspection, Ray walked us through exactly what he did around the outside of our house. He made it very easy for us to understand, but unfortunately, we found out that we do have termites on the property.
After discussing the treatment options with Mr. Matthews, we have decided that Termidor HE, high efficiency termiticide, is the best option based on the findings from our inspection this morning.
BASF is a global leader in innovations. We provide pest management professionals with best-in-class solutions and technical support. We also take stewardship very seriously to meet high sustainability standards of today's society. Termidor has protected homes from termites for more than 20 years. It has reduced the need for callbacks from approximately 1 in 4 homes to less than 1%. We created the standard for termite control. Termidor HE, high-efficiency termiticide, is a specialized insecticide that works on the termite's nervous system and through contact can be transferred to other nestmates. It will be applied around the structure by a licensed pest management professional.
When used according to the EPA-approved label, there is significantly reduced risk for accidental exposure to humans, pets, and the environment.
When we learned that Termidor has protected over 10 million homes in the U.S., we knew that it was the right choice for us, and that gives us peace of mind.
Another option for termite control is our Trelona ATBS annual bait stations. This is a bait station with a bait that are placed below ground around the structure. Termites feed on the bait and take it back to the nest mate to feed the other termites in the colony. You only have to check these bait stations once a year.
Mr. Matthews, you now have long-term protection against termites. We'll be back next year for your annual inspection. But in the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
BASF pest control products are amazing. That's why they're not only used at homes, but also they are used to protect and preserve historical buildings, churches, museums, and other structures throughout the United States.
To learn more about how to keep your home safe from termites, visit termidorhome.com or trelonahome.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv. The heat is on, especially in Florida, the Sunshine State. And for homeowners Dagoberta and Flor Bonilla, it's time to think cool.
It is very important because there are like 3 months which is very hot and high humidity in Florida. We spend most of the time in the house, so it's very important for us to be comfortable with a nice cool weather, nice AC unit.
These days, every dollar counts. So when it comes to upgrading their current air conditioning system, they, like many homeowners, want to make the right decision.
We decided to do some upgrade and get a better system because this one is kind of old already and is running very slow, and through the years we have to fix it here and there, so we're spending more money on that.
To help them, they're meeting with local contractor Esteban Mendez with Pride Air Conditioning, who can explain just what to look for when choosing a reliable and affordable HVAC system for their home.
Thank you for inviting me today to talk about upgrading your air conditioning system. I've got a couple questions for you. What are we looking to do by upgrading to a new air conditioning system?
Well, Esteban, we are looking to upgrade our units in order to save some money on the electricity.
Okay.
And get a better efficient system, you know, because the current one, it doesn't really go all the way to our bedroom, so it's hard at night. So then we really hope that this one will be a better option.
Okay, I recommend the York air conditioning system because it's a brand that's been around for 140 years. At the same time, they do offer a wide range of high energy efficiency systems. They have a good housekeeping seal, and they were rated the 3rd best air conditioning brand on the Architectural Digest magazine.
Oh.
Would that sound like an option you would like to explore?
Yes, sounds very good.
Sounds good.
Perfect. So with the York air conditioning system, there are some federal tax credits that are there for you, utility rebates, and even consumer rebates. That's going to make it more affordable to purchase this air conditioning system.
That would be good.
What do you guys think? Would you like me to go ahead and get this unit scheduled to install for you?
What do you think?
Ready to upgrade.
All right, let's do it. Perfect.
Okay, that's good news.
Let the installation begin.
Okay, so here's your new York air conditioning system. You hear how quiet that is?
Yeah, I noticed, and so it's a great advantage for our neighbors, you know, so.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Good, so best in class manufacturer warranties, and then because Pride Air Conditioning installed it, you're gonna have a maintenance agreement with it. So we're gonna come out and do your maintenance regularly. And what do you think about that?
Sounds great.
It's very good, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's go inside and go look at that smart thermostat we talked about.
Let's see.
Good.
Okay, now that we've gone over the installation of your outside unit and the inside unit, this is how you're gonna be able to control the temperature of your home. This is the HX3 Smart Wi-Fi enabled thermostat. With this thermostat, you're gonna be able to control it via an app on your smartphone or any of the smart devices. So you'll be able to control your temperature from the couch, from the bedroom, or from anywhere, even if you're out of town.
Oh, that sounds great because we travel a lot, so it will be really good to have the control on my phone. So that make it a lot easier.
Perfect, I'm glad that you're happy. I really appreciate you guys choosing York Air Conditioning and us to install your AC system.
Oh, thank you, Sevan. That sounds really good.
Thanks a lot.
I'm really
Thank
happy.
you guys.
And now it's time to chill. For more information, check out york.com or our website, designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.